The support price suggested by the Agricultural Prices Commission normally is very much lower than the market price stock. Agriculturists, instead of getting remunerative price, are not able to recover even the cost of production stock. I would suggest that the Agricultural Prices Commission should be an independent body and it should be a statutory body created by a statute of this parliament so that they are able to correctly find out and assess the cost of production and suggest what should be the price which should be payable even as a support price to the agriculturist stock. The second point is about the agricultural credit line which has got choked up in a large number of states and it has got to be cleared. Stock honorable member is not here, but I was amused to find that every now and then whenever the question of Maharashtra scheme was being raised here, he always used to say that there are some fictitious transactions and fictitious loans were given. Stock. I do not know on what basis he has been saying that. Stop. Even if there are some fictitious transactions, those could be found out and the persons concerned punished for that. Stop. Why should every cultivator be punished for that? Sign of interrogation. They are not able to utilize the Reserve Bank credit limit because a large number of defaulters are there. Stop. The Maharashtra government has taken a bold and realistic step in this direction and they wanted to provide rupees 50 crores for wiping out the loan of these small and marginal farmers. Stop. I would request the finance minister to see that at least the Reserve Bank does not come in the way. Stop. The Reserve Bank should not create any difficulty if the credit line gets cleared and they are able to utilize the agricultural credit in full, which in fact they require very badly. Stop. Para. There is one more point. Stop. Some kind of adjustment in the price of urea and other chemical fertilizers which the cultivators have to use is necessary. Stop. The price of all petroleum products has gone up. Thereby, urea has become a prohibitive item for agriculture. Stop. Some kind of adjustment effected by which urea should be easily available to the cultivators is one of the points which the finance minister may kindly consider. Stop. My next point is about the natural calamities and the scheme of rescheduling of loan. Stop. The finance minister is aware of the fact that rescheduling is not a concession to the cultivator at all. Stop. He is required to pay one third installment of the loan which he has taken right at the start when the rescheduled cycle starts of the loan. Stop.